Hello, welcome to Verma's Chemistry. This video is about temperature coefficient of galvanic cell. In this video, we are going to discuss what is meant by temperature coefficient and how can we derive an expression for temperature coefficient. The variation in cell potential per unit change in temperature is called as temperature coefficient. In galvanic cell potential varies with temperature. When the change in temperature is 1 unit, what will be the change in cell potential? This is called as temperature coefficient and it can be represented by dE by dt. Let us see the derivation for temperature coefficient. In thermodynamics, we have Gibbs-Helmholtz equation. Delta G equal to delta H plus T into d delta Z by dt at constant pressure. And the relation between cell potential and delta G is delta G is equal to minus NF E, where E is cell potential. If we substitute this relation of delta G in Gibbs-Helmholtz equation, wherever we have delta G in Gibbs-Helmholtz equation, you need to substitute minus NF E. So minus NF E cell potential is equal to delta H plus T into D minus NF E cell by dt at constant pressure. In this expression, this NF can be taken out from the differentiation because both of them are constants. N is the number of electrons involved in electrode process and F is Faraday. So you will get expression like this. And here this dE cell by dt at constant pressure is temperature coefficient. And to get expression for that, we need to move this delta H to the other side. Then you will get the expression like this. And when you multiply this whole equation by the negative sign, then you will get the expression NFT into dE cell by dt at constant pressure is equal to NF E cell plus delta H. And when the whole equation is divided by this NFT to get the expression for dE cell by dt at constant pressure, then the temperature coefficient will be NF E cell plus delta H by NFT. This equation can be written as temperature coefficient is equal to E cell by T plus delta H by NFT. From this expression, you can find out the formula for enthalpy change of cell reaction. To get that, we need to move the remaining term E cell by T to the other side. Then you will get the expression like this. And when this equation is multiplied with NFT to get delta H value, this equation should be multiplied with NFT. Then the equation becomes delta H equal to NFT into temperature coefficient minus NFT into E cell by T. In this, you can cancel temperature term. Then the expression for enthalpy change will become delta H is equal to NFT into temperature coefficient minus NF E cell. You can take NF common from this, then delta H is equal to NF into T into temperature coefficient minus E cell. To get the expression for entropy change of cell reaction, you can start from Gibbs-Helmholtz equation. Gibbs-Helmholtz equation is delta G equal to delta H plus T into d delta Z by dt at constant pressure. When you compare this equation with delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S, then you will get delta S is equal to minus d delta Z by dt at constant pressure. In this expression, delta Z can be substituted by minus NF E cell. Substitute delta G by NF E cell. Then delta S expression is equal to minus D minus NF E cell by dt at constant pressure. Multiply this expression with negative sign. Then you will get delta S equal to NF into D E cell by dt at constant pressure, where this D E cell by dt at constant pressure is temperature coefficient. So delta S equal to NF into temperature coefficient.